Did you know a simple massage can do more than just relax your muscles? Today we're diving into an often overlooked practice that can transform not only your physical health, but also your sexual wellness, the penis massage. Curious about its benefits? Keep watching to discover how a medically approved lingam massage can offer far more than just pleasure. In this video, we'll explore the true benefits of penis massage beyond just physical satisfaction. Today I'll be walking you through the medically backed benefits of what's commonly known as a lingam massage. This practice can revitalize not only your sexual health, but also your overall well-being, the power of massage, and why your penis deserves it too. We often think of massages as a full-body experience to relieve stress, but have you considered how a penis massage can benefit your sexual health? This isn't just about pleasure. A lingam massage, rooted in ancient principles, can improve blood circulation, enhance libido, and even help address issues like erectile dysfunction. Let's unpack some fascinating benefits that every man should know. Facts about penis size, separating myths from reality. Before we dive into the benefits of massage, let's talk about something many men are concerned about: penis size. Here are some quick, science-backed facts. Penis size varies widely. The average erect penis size is around 5.16 inches. Size variations are common and have no direct impact on sexual satisfaction. Penis size is not linked to race. There's no scientific evidence that race or ethnicity affects penis size. Genetics and environment play the primary roles. Size isn't everything. Research shows that communication, emotional connection, and sexual technique matter more for sexual pleasure than size alone. Now, let's explore how a penis massage done correctly and with the right approach can positively impact your sexual and physical health. Full body healing through penis massage. Based on ancient practices, a penis massage can release stress from the entire body, aligning your sexual and spiritual energy. It's a holistic approach to well-being, enhancing libido. A penis massage stimulates your libido, increasing sexual drive and desire. For best results, use high-quality oils designed for genital massage. Boosting blood circulation. Poor blood circulation is often a key factor in erectile dysfunction. A penis massage improves blood flow, enhancing sexual performance and helping you maintain stronger erections. Caressing weak erections. Penile vibratory stimulation, an important aspect of lingam massage, helps manage erectile dysfunction. This practice is clinically supported to improve both sexual and reproductive health. How to perform penis massage with oil. For those interested in trying this technique, here's a simple, step-by-step guide. Wake up the area. Start by massaging the pelvic region with a natural oil like coconut or cacao oil. This helps relax the area before focusing on the penis itself. Work it up. Using both hands, gently apply oil to the penis, applying slight pressure with your thumbs and fingers. This helps increase blood flow and relieve tension. Don't forget the scrotum. Gently massage the scrotum as well, stretching it slightly to promote relaxation. This technique complements the overall massage, enhancing the experience. Remember, a penis massage isn't just about sexual pleasure, it's about overall health. Regularly practicing these techniques can bring remarkable improvements to your sexual wellness, circulation, and even mental clarity. If this piqued your interest, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more tips on how to improve your sexual health. I'll see you in the next video.